Today, we're diving into a world of powerful weapons that don't require bullets, devices that bring along impact, precision, and innovation without traditional bullets. From high-tech stun guns and energy-based tools to slingshots and tactical melee gear, these weapons show us there is much more to firepower than just bullets. For self-defense, survival, or other tactical purposes, these amazing devices pack a punch in unusual ways. Get ready to behold the most innovative, the most functional, and the most jaw-dropping non-bullet weapons you have ever seen. Number 1. FlyMars Plus. The FlyMars Plus is a mechanical, rifle-style hunting slingshot that was created for shooters who want raw power, precision, and serious upgrade potential. This high-performance unit is constructed from durable number 7075 aviation aluminum alloy and is far removed from any traditional handheld slingshot. The pulling distance is generous, ranging from 700mm to almost 995mm, depending on the setup, which can give some amazing power strokes. If it's fully upgraded with stainless steel poles and enhanced components, it will eventually achieve over 500 feet/second, ranking it as one of the most powerful slingshot rifles on the market today. Designed for modularity, the FlyMars Plus allows for a wide array of upgrades, including 4-axis stability systems, custom rubber bands, trigger units, and even arrow shooting adaptations, providing unmatched versatility and performance to hunters. Number 2. Ultranet Gun. The Ultranet Gun is a compact, lightweight capture device designed for safe, non-lethal restraint. Measuring 311mm long and weighing 1.36 kilograms loaded, it launches an ultra-thin Dyneema, or HPPE net, at speeds of 15 miles per second, 50 feet/second. Powered by a single 16-gram, unthreaded CO2 canister, it delivers one precise shot per canister, with 20 included in each kit. The net opens fully at 3 to 4 meters, reaching distances up to 15 meters, though its optimum capture range is 6 to 8 meters. With 3 net sizes available, users can tailor performance to various scenarios. The Ultranet arrives in a crush-proof, waterproof case and includes a 6-month warranty on materials and workmanship, excluding consumable items like CO2, nets, and seals. Number 3. TAC-79. The TAC-79 is a robust and versatile 37mm single-action launcher built for reliability, performance, and easy handling. Featuring an exposed hammer and top brake design, it fires standard 37mm rimmed ammunition with smooth operation. Its 12-inch barrel uses a fully enclosed rim and transverse pin lockup, while the rear 4-inch Picatinny rail and 6-inch lower rail support optics and accessories. Measuring 23 to 27 inches with a 6-position stock and weighing 4 pounds 14 ounces, it offers comfortable control. Constructed from 6061T6 aluminum and 4140 steel, it's finished with durable anodizing and black oxide. Additional highlights include a reinforced breech, modular quick-change trigger assembly, AR spring single-action mechanism, and vertical foregrip. Made in the USA and non-NFA, it's legal to own nationwide. Price at $499.99. Number 4. AR6 Stinger 2. The AR6 Stinger 2 is a featherlight, tactical repeating crossbow, engineered for speed, safety, and reliability. With its quick-release lever, the limbs are cocked in mere seconds to deliver an exceptionally high rate of fire. Adding to fast target acquisition is a new illuminated front sight, while fast reloading with either hunting or bodkin arrows is achieved via a spring-loaded magazine, especially when used with optional speed loaders. Conceived for practicality, the Stinger 2 can be safely stored loaded, as its limbs remain untensioned until a single movement makes it ready to fire. Users can also replace the string quickly without tools. Molded from impact and UV-resistant polymer, it weighs just 1.2 kilograms, yet remains virtually indestructible. Compact and robust, the AR6 Stinger 2 redefines modern tactical crossbows. Number 5. Arcus Aerostar. The Arcus Aerostar is a special hybrid weapon, combining elements of a pellet gun and an arbitration gun for the effortless, accurate shooting of arrows. Slim, comfortable, and easy to handle, it is fed by a 12-gram or 16-gram CO2 cartridge that is installed in the grip. After inserting an arrow and pressurizing the system by moving one lever, the Aerostar is ready to shoot with much precision at 10 to 15 meters. Thanks to the built-in pressure regulator and the side pressure indicator, each cartridge delivers 15 to 20 shots with the same consistency. The arrows soar at 46 meters square, carrying 10 joules of energy. This 890-gram system comes complete with adjustable rear sights, 3 carbon arrows, and a transport case. Accessories that can be fitted include a Picatinny rail or shooting stick. Price at $339.45. Number 6. Benjamin Bulldog Bullpup PCP Air Rifle. The Benjamin Bulldog Bullpup PCP Air Rifle brings serious big bore performance to the table in a compact, maneuverable design, available in .357 and .457 caliber variants. The .357 model includes a 26-inch Picatinny rail, a 5.5-inch accessory rail, and a 5-round rotary clip, while the .457 comes with a longer air tube, an M18 threaded muzzle, and includes a gravity-fed 3-shot tray that can produce 450 feet-pound energy. Both rifles operate on the bullpup configuration, holding overall length at about 36 inches, while still being able to feature long, accurate rifled barrels. Weighing from 7.7 to 8.7 pound, they handle exceptionally well in the field for hunting. Their most standout feature is its crisp, unusually clean bullpup trigger, mated to a manual safety and full-length Picatinny rail. Powered by a 440 cubic centimeter cylinder filled to 3,000 pound square inch, it provides dependable big bore performance without requiring extreme fill pressures. Number 7. Interceptor Assault Crossbow. The MEY Interceptor Assault Crossbow is a cutting-edge design often referred to as the AR-15 of crossbows, courtesy of its game-changing 18-shot, bottom-feeding magazine system. As the first underloading magazine crossbow in the world, it greatly enhances reload speed and handling, allowing users to swap compact preloaded magazines within seconds. This model accepts almost every pistol-style bolt, from bodkin to broadhead to war bolts, while there is full space for optics, cameras, or tactical accessories atop the open-top rail. The Interceptor also features a brake barrel reloading mechanism with an ambidextrous thumb release, providing an exceptionally high firing rate. It is 7.27 pounds and comes with a fixed stock, 60-pound limbs, bolts, and an anti-dry fire system. Optional limbs, magazines, and sights expand this model's capability. Price at $599. Number 8. EMG-02 Coil Gun. The Arc Flash Labs EMG-02 Coil Gun is a state-of-the-art, fully automatic electromagnetic launcher with near-silent firing, ultra-low recoil, and a blazing 13 rounds per second burst rate. The proprietary 10-stage, capacitor-augmented design sports 8 optically controlled and 2 booster stages that propel variable caliber steel armatures up to 75 meters square. Compatible with 6 to 8 mm ferromagnetic dowel pins, it performs best using Arc Flash's recommended armatures. The EMG-02 ships with a 15-round MG-15A magazine, functions with MG-18 and MG-15XL mags, and is powered with an interchangeable 15S lithium-ion battery with over 300 shots per charge. Lightly weighted and quiet firing, this offers a very futuristic shooting experience. Every unit shipped with a hard case, battery, charger, and armatures. Price, $130 to $240. Number 9. VKS Pro. The VKS Pro is an extremely rugged and high-performing launcher that features solid reinforced construction with a lighter, more compact design for superior handling. Its versatile magazine accepts both round projectiles and VXR projectiles, while also offering compatibility with gravity and electronic hoppers for rapid, adaptable feeding. With no recoil, shooters enjoy exceptional accuracy and smooth follow-up shots. The VKS Pro includes a red-green reflex sight, flip safety switch, and an adjustable folding foregrip for improved control. An M-Loke handguard, ambidextrous QD sling mount, and 2-point sling compatibility allow for full customization in tactical use. Fully split-shot compatible, this launcher is designed to be reliable, precise, and offer modern versatility in extreme environments. Number 10. Mastershot. The Ramset Mastershot is a powder-actuated tool designed to drive fasteners into hardened materials, such as concrete and steel. It uses a .22 caliber powder cartridge to provide the force to shoot nails in a single-shot, trigger-operated mechanism. Built for demanding construction environments, the Mastershot features a silencing system to reduce noise, comfort through a cushioned ergonomic grip, and drives pins up to 3 inches. From the installation of electrical fixtures to mechanical and framing components, it provides efficiency, precision, and reliable power. Durable and easy to operate, the Mastershot has earned its place as a favorite among contractors and industrial professionals for consistent fastening performance. Number 11. Steambow Fenris Magazine. The Steambow Fenris magazine transforms a standard compound or recurve bow into a fast, intuitive, and highly efficient repeating arrow platform. Neither bow nor crossbow, this system creates an entirely new weapon category, yet remains legally classified as a vertical bow. Its innovative 5-arrow magazine enables shooters to fire all arrows in under 5 seconds, combining a thumb trigger release, pump action repeating system, and revolutionary aiming setup when paired with a red dot sight. CNC machined from milled, hard anodized aluminum, the Fenris is lightweight, durable, and extremely precise. It mounts to most modern bows with removable rests and includes 5 arrows, a Picatinny rail, and a universal bracket. Quick to learn, fast to deploy, and built in Austria, the Fenris sets a new standard for rapid-fire archery. Number 12. Zap Baton Extreme. The Zap Baton Extreme is a formidable self-defense tool that combines a 1 million volt stun gun with an 11.5-inch tactical baton, allowing you to maintain a safer distance between yourself and the threat. The spiked stun points throughout the tip, sides, and handle guard deliver up to 1.09 microcoulombs of stopping power within your attacker, even breaking through thick clothing and collecting DNA for later identification. Side shock plates on either side of the unit deter an attacker from attempting to take control of the baton, while the protective handle guard functions much like brass knuckles to enhance your striking force. Sometimes an intimidating electric arc and crackling sound can be a sufficient deterrent. Additional features include an ultra-bright LED flashlight, durable rubberized grip, rechargeable battery, safety switch, and squeeze trigger activation. Weighing 1.9 pounds, this comes with a heavy-duty holster and a 2-year warranty. Price, $69.95. That wraps up our look at powerful weapons that need no bullets. From high-tech coil guns to rapid-fire crossbows and stun batons, these innovative tools prove you don't need traditional ammo to pack a punch. Stay safe, stay prepared, and explore the cutting edge of modern, non-lethal, and tactical weaponry. Thanks for watching!